I would say we have flooding. Do you have a place to go? You live there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm underwater right now. I'm actually trapped on the other side of the bank. I moved the car and I'm trying to figure out how to get back out.
Corner of 14th and C.
The middle part is the green grass. It has a little bit of ground all the way up to the yard level, right where the garage is.
This is 14th Street.